Welcome to Paul Yaffe Originals. For over 30 years, we've been pushing the limits of motorcycle customization. From one-of-a-kind builds.
Paul Yaffe here. Hey guys, Paul Yaffe here.
Hi, it's Paul Yaffe from Paul Yaffe Originals and Paul Yaffe's Bagger Nation.
To handcrafted parts.
I had a little work here to get these to flow together, but I got it to where it's flat here.
Install videos.
So you get your nice little dress-up top piece.
Played a little bend, pre-bend to it.
But we got a fix for it. So follow me inside and check it out.
Machine shop and fabrication. Events and rides. Hit the subscribe button now.
Bee Gees?
Just transferring it around this, but
Paul Yaffe Originals. Hit the subscribe button now.